Hey, what's going on, guys? Bryan here from 2B Clean Auto Detailing. It's been a minute. Had some, excuse me, some things I had to take care of. Missed being in the YouTube community and making the videos, but nonetheless, I am back. I'll be shooting some videos today about this seat. You can get it from Speedmaster, Autogeek.net, and let me show you guys what's inside this box here. So not only do you get your instructions, it's pretty basic though. This is my screwdriver. Let's pull this out and see what you get. So here's the top. And the black piece is the bottom, or it could be reversed, I'm not sure yet. And then when you get these two compound and bottle holders, whatever you want, they clip on to the sides, I believe, right in these holes. You can put some screws through it as well. I think, excuse me, this would be an easy on and easy off, so you can assemble it if you need. You got these nice, they seem very sturdy casters. And then they have these little rubber things, and what this is for, I'll show you guys later, is not only is this a stool, but you can use this as a stepping. So you take half of it off, put this on the bottom so you don't mess up the plastics, and then you have like an extra foot that you can get on top of the areas without needing a ladder. Obviously this wouldn't be the greatest for trucks, but nonetheless it's here. And then you get this utility mounting bracket, and what this is you can mount this with the screws provided, and you can put your brushes and whatnot in here. Let them drip dry if you want. And then the last part is this cushion. So this will go on top. Here's the top, and this will sit on here. So I'll go ahead and get to the quick assembly so you guys don't get bored. So stay tuned. This stool performed really great over the nature stone, which is a bunch of little pea gravels molded together. And then it also rolls great on concrete. And then taking off half of it gives you that extra 6 to 8 inches of height to go ahead and reach over that vehicle if you need it. You can see I was able to reach an extra 8 to 12 inches across the top of the roof. So I definitely recommend this. Go ahead and pick this up at Autogeek.net. It's by Speedmaster. Take care, guys. God bless.